So guys, here is the finished look. Now, this surface is not level. And in order to get a nice, smooth, and level surface, we need something that is wide enough to rest on these four pegs or stand or legs. Um, in order, it came with a glass top. So what I did was, I'm looking around and I found something. Now, this is a tire from a wheelbarrow I had years ago. I keep everything and I use them for height, right? So I picked this up and it needed balance with a little tiny rock, right? And then here you go. Now, how nice this looks with this gold ball, sun ball above it. Isn't that gorgeous? I really think it elevate this garden a lot, and I can't wait to see my birds in it. I can't wait to see the plants around it grow taller and just kind of hide this. And I love it. So think about ways that you can use your table, different things, your pots, different things in another dimension, another way, so that you get more than one use out of it. And this gorgeous iron table, because it's so low, it's been sitting out here. And the perfect idea was to use it for a bird bath so it elevates a basin. And this gold basin was on my center table in my living room. And I had it out back for, I don't remember what reason I brought it to the back for, and it was been sitting on the table. And what I did was I rinsed it out a little bit and fill it up with some water, and ta-da! A bird bath, and I love it. And if you don't go too far out, you don't see that elevation of that wheel, and I love how it looks, because I said I didn't want a basin that is as big as this circle. I wanted a smaller one just to see that that element, that material. And I don't know, look at that. It just matches. I don't know what's going on, but I love it. I love what it brings to the garden. I love how it looks. And I like to add gold and silver in different places. Why not outdoors? I think it's beautiful. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Peace.